That is so nice. And I found another one, the same one that I have already, that is really nice because it has its own solar panel, so you don't need to pass any cables anywhere. Not all cables have the same colors, I discovered. So I connected everything. Just push it there, and then you need to push the orange release, and you see?
I'm back home and just in time to see the new boom.
Okay. And I'm glad to see people out with the bikes. I have been crossing some of them, not Harley Davidsons, and that's because Harley Davidsons, they are not for travel anymore. People buy 45,000, 56,000 Electroglide Ultra Classic CBO to go to have a to go to the clubhouse because they are all bikers on a biker club. The hot club, of course, they're not biker clubs, but anyhow, and they just go to have some beers and pizza at the corner with that bike. They don't travel anymore. So I had to come back. Two main reasons. First one, the FOB of the bike. I changed the battery, but it didn't quite take. So sometimes it started, sometimes not, and I was like, I don't want to be left here. The other thing, the real one, is the more I went west, exactly, west, east, west, yes, west. The more I went west, the worse the weather. There is some climate in Almerimar. This place is sunny like this, and everything else in Spain is raining, which is good that I am here. So anyhow, the good thing is that when I was coming back, I saw a supermarket and I needed to buy a couple of things, but I found platanitos that most of you don't know what it is. The ones that you don't know, this is delicious. And I bought like 100 of it. And also I found a Wi-Fi camera that I wanted to put inside the boat to keep an eye on things when I'm not here. And I bought also, what was it? And a new knife, because I broke mine. I broke my knife. It was an IKEA knife, so I'm already amazed that it lasted like 8 years, but now this is the new one. So we're gonna stay here for the day. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna ask Geraldo if he has a cable tracer. I don't know the name. You know that thing that you put inside the pipes, trying to see where they go, and then you attach a cable and call it, and recall them to you. Well, I need one of those. I said hopefully Geraldo has one. Otherwise, I need to go buy one in order to move to put the cables for the autopilot. So Geraldo couldn't help me. He doesn't have one of those thingies for the cables, so I need to wait for the store to reopen in order to buy it. But I did found a couple of things that I needed. One, and I found it. I have the security camera. It's a Tapo. That's the name. And I found the same brand here in Spain. I found this. There is the sensors. This is going to go here on the door to know if someone opens the door. I found a camera for the inside, which I want to put somewhere here in order to keep an eye on the boat when I'm not on the boat. And I found another one, the same one that I have already, that is really nice because it has its own solar panel, so you don't need to pass any cables anywhere. And this one, I want to have it because the one that I have now is inside here and essentially takes the entire stern, not the stern, the galley? No, that's not the galley anymore. The outside part of the boat, which is still inside. And this one on the other side, I want to have this looking forward on the boat to have a 360 degrees vision of the boat. It's night. It works really good also at nighttime and everything. So that goes there. It's not like a real navigation, But it's nice to have a night vision camera looking forward. So I find those. I'm gonna start installing them. I'm gonna start from this one, for the small one that goes on the door, and just waiting for the store to reopen.
Oh wow, that is a good.
Ah, let's do this like intelligent people. Hey guys, another day, another task. So I started the day. I finally got time to go to get my packs from Amazon, and what I received, what I ordered, is terminals for NEMEA 2000. As you know, I still need to convert the cables from CTOG to NEMEA 2000. So going from there to Canvas. Now, to do so, I don't know how to, I didn't know how to do this. So Marco, La Casa Electrónica, sent me a schematic from SVV, which show you colors and where everything goes. Now, the problem is, not all cables have the same colors, I discovered. So these are the CTOL cables that were in the boat. I cut them. I cut this one because I don't need it. And I am essentially doing a test. So I connected everything. The problem is that SVV says gray and they have yellow. So I essentially said, okay, I have blue, I have white, I have black, I have red. So I'm going to use the yellow as the gray. So no brainer there. The only problem is, I don't know if these cables, which is the ones that I use on the boat, have the same colors in the same position. I don't know that. So my idea is I did the connection for which I needed the glasses because damn, I'm old. I don't see shit anymore. But anyhow, I did the connection here. So supposedly, if I try continuity from here to here, following the colors, anything else, let's see if they transmit in the same sequence. That's the plan at the moment. So this came apart. It's absolutely not easy at all to put this thing together. But you need really good eyes or a set of glasses.
Nerd alert!
Which I'm new to, so I still don't know how to use glasses, by the way. I still keep putting it on and taking it off constantly. I don't know how to use them, and I still don't feel comfortable with them. So bear with me. This is a new thing for me. Being old is a new thing for me. If I see the schematics from SVV and I see the female like that, the bottom left corner should be red. I will need ideally another person or another set of hands. Anyhow, let's see. That's red. Cool. I can do this. On top of it, if I see the female with the notch on the bottom, like that. I'm not old enough apparently. Anyhow, that goes there. Anyhow, this is just for discovering purposes. So if I see the notch down, yeah. Okay, cool. This is absolutely doable, and I will do that. So that way I can get rid of the entire CTOG part. So I routed the cable from the router sensor, and I'm ready to start connecting the autopilot. So the autopilot, the Furuno one, because it's an industrial kind of thing, it's not for normal weekend sailors or weekend boats. It is kind of complicated. It doesn't have a NEMEA connection and plug and play things. You need to wire it. So the first thing, this is the cable from this is a cable that comes from the router sensor, and this one here is the other. This one here is the cable from the unit. God damn it! So now all I need to do is wire this thing. So looking at the I asked AI to help me find the right place on the it goes green, yellow, black, white on the TB10. The TB10, you will find it here. Here it is, TB10. This one is that one here. So now all we need to do is wire those colors in that sequence, and we should be go. So it says green is already there. Then we go with yellow on two, yes. Just push it there, and then you need to push the orange, release, and you see it's there. So after that goes the black one goes on 3, and then white, which is the shield. Let me go like that, and there you go. And this one is wired. So that's for the router sensor cable. So this is the other one, and now we just need to know where this one goes. Okay, so this is the control unit, and apparently it goes white, and it should be this one here, TB, which one is? TB8. It's this, so it goes there, TB8 controller, first one. Okay, blue. Then red, then goes black. Okay, that's connected. So now all that is left for me to do, I need to wire the power to the unit, and I have no idea how to give power to the motor, to the piston that move the autopilot, that really do the thing. But this is wired, and now we will go do the rest.
Hi guys, I'm back home. I've been away for 3 weeks. Went back to Italy to see my parents and friends, and today I'm back, and just in time to see the new boom. Has just arrived from Italy.
Sì, ma era già tutto pronto da un po', su che appunto.
Sì, no, per portarlo.
Stavamo cercando di capire un po' la logistica.
Hai visto il nuovo Obama? Hai visto il nuovo Obama?
Got a new beam.
Sorry?
It's a new beam.
It's a new boom.
Caio, ecco.
It's a furling boom.
Oh,
Yeah.
and your old boom?
Gonna sell it.
Yeah.
Carlo non... sì, ogni tanto, quando la strada è buona, perché se no inizia a ballare.
Ah, qua vai bene, bei buche non ce ne sono, poco.
Ma sì, è vero, devo dire che in Spagna va bene.
Are you happy with your new boom?
I feel like Christmas.
Finally.
Finally. Okay.
La Barbara in mezzo.
La Barbara vale niente a sollevare pesi, zero.
Qui? Sì.
Sono in due davanti che la faccio.
Cioè, lo pianiamo così e dopo lo mettiamo in sopra.
Alza.
Ok, adesso voglio in alto e tu appoggiamo il carrello quando ok. E 2. Voilà.
Lo faccio alla fine del motore. Lo mettiamo lì.
Però non te le saprei distinguere.